Welcome back. Thanksgiving is next week, and if you want to order Thanksgiving treats from the East Valley Institute of Technology, it's time to get your orders in. So Tom is checking it out this morning, and Tom, you and I used to cover this story every Thanksgiving, one of my favorite places.
Yeah, Ty, I love coming here as well. We always have so much fun. I think what I love to see are the students are so young in their career. They're really excited about all the things they can make, and knowing that they're making so much for so many for this Thanksgiving sale, it's really pretty special for them. Of course, I got my buddy Chef Scott Meyer with me. Scott, how you doing, buddy?
Good. How are you doing?
Always a pleasure to see you. How many students are in your program?
Right now, we are just shy of 100 total between AM and PM.
How about that? So one thing Chef Scott always does for me, come on over here, let me show you really quick. Every time I show up, he always makes sure that there are chocolate chip cookies made. Isn't he just the sweetest guy ever? But Chef, those are not part of what you're doing here. Tell everybody about the essentials that you're making every year.
So every year we do a lot of different Thanksgiving items. We are doing different types of pies. Today we have students making apple pies, but we also do pumpkin, we do pecan, we do different kinds of bars, we do brownies, which to me doesn't really seem like a Thanksgiving thing, but demand weighed out, so we do brownies.
I love brownies.
We do a couple different types of blondies. We do a gingerbread white chocolate. We also do a butterscotch pecan. Quick breads. We've got banana walnut.
I'm seeing some Oreo stuff going over here. You guys, what do we got going here? What are you making?
We're making Oreo crust for Oreo cheesecake.
They sell just the crust?
Yeah. Yes.
How do you do this without eating some of that?
It's hard. It's really hard.
Make sure you spill some on the table next time when we pour that out.
Yeah.
Well, that looks really great. So over here, are those French apple pies right there, Chef?
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. French apple pies with a nice streusel crust on top. Topping.
The sale is coming up, but you can pre-order up until Wednesday, right?
Wednesday, correct. Yes, pre-sale.
Tell everybody how that works and where they can look that up.
So if they go to evit.edu, they will find a link for the site, and then they just order whatever they would like, and then pickup days will be next Monday and Tuesday here in Building 2 between 9 and 4:30.
I love how it's all the side essential dishes you don't even have to work at, and the prices are great. Most pies are $10.
Most pies are actually, $10 exactly. Yeah, that's right.
And so as I look around here, you have to make a lot of food. How many rolls are you making this year?
Probably at least 400 dozen, because we sold 403 dozen last year. So we're making a lot. Make sure we can cover everybody.
How fun is it for you to get these kids to make this kind of stuff?
It's fun because a lot of them, they've never produced at this volume before. Before we just make smaller batches of things, but now we're doing hundreds of pies, hundreds of dozen of rolls. You know, it's just, it's a brand new experience for them, and they get a lot out of it.
Yeah, Chef Scott Meyer making it happen, you guys. Get your orders in. Again, go to EVIT's website. And every time I'm in the kitchen, if they're ever breaking out those bags, it's just Oreo, pieces of Oreo. So good. We'll have more. We'll talk about the amazing rolls that they make coming up in my next day.
All right, Tom, we're having a debate here in the newsroom, or in the studio here this morning, on your apple pie. Do you want the pie topping, or do you want the crumble?
I'm traditional. I go with the pie topping.
Oh, you do?
But either way, as long as it's pie,
You're not complaining too
yeah,
much.
I agree. Yeah,
Crystal is the traditional pie crust too, but you and I like the crumble.
I like
stuff.
that crumble top too, yeah.
Oh, good.
Delish. All right, 8:26, quick break. We'll be right back. Week though, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
All right, 8:43, let's get back out to Tom. He's at one of our favorite places.
All right, Tom, you're talking about them rolls that so many folks love.
There are so many rolls. Take a look at this. Look at that. 200 dozen rolls in there. That's what they're going to be selling. And guess what? They need to make a lot more. Of course, I've got Chef Scott Meyer with me. He's the man in charge of this whole thing. Scott, how many rolls are you going to end up making altogether?
At least 400 dozen.
400 dozen.
Yes, at least 400 dozen.
I'm tired just thinking about it. This is the way they'll show up if you come and get them, right?
Yes, exactly like this. And what I recommend is when you heat these up, brush them with butter. As soon as they're out of the oven, give them a little sprinkle of salt. It elevates them amazingly.
Yeah, perfect. Well, what am I looking at over here?
So here we have some of our other items for sale. We have Oreo cheesecake. We've got a butterscotch pecan blondie. And then at the end, we've got brownies.
And of course, they have a pamphlet I want you guys to look at so you can get all the information, all right? So here's the deal. You can order and pick up between now and Wednesday. So you can make your order, and then of course, actually a pickup on Monday and Tuesday, the 24th and the 25th from 9 to 4:30. But you can pre-order online up until Wednesday. And of course, I also wanted to show you that every time I show up, Chef Scott takes care of me. And you can notice I've already been into his chocolate chip cookies. He always takes care of me. But the one thing you also have is savory. What are these kids making over here, Chef?
They're making the cottage cheese dill rolls, the ones we just saw. So these are, as the name implies, they got cottage cheese, they got green onions, a little bit of heat from some horseradish. It's a really interesting flavor combination.
Yeah, and there are some other savory things. I know Desiree loves the turkey broth.
Yeah, we make turkey stock, and we also do cranberry relish as well as sweet potato casserole.
But it's really about the sweets as we make our way over this way. Tell me how many pies, give me some of the flavor stuff. I'm sitting at home and I'm thinking, I might get something. What should I get?
Well, I'm partial to the cranberry apple pie. It's like a traditional apple pie, but it's got a little tartness from cranberry. We also spell regular apple pies. We've got a pecan pie and also pumpkin pie as well.
I love that. So how's it going over here, you guys? Do you ever get to eat this after you've made it?
When there's extras after the bake sale, we can take some home if there's some. But yeah, I don't know.
I would be eating this stuff all day long. You guys were working on the Oreo stuff. Check this out, you guys. This is the other thing I love about it. Are you putting this up here?
No.
You're just leaving it there?
It's too heavy.
A little too heavy?
Yeah, definitely.
Are you excited to be working on something like this where you're, you're making food for so many people?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's nice seeing that other people like what we make.
Yeah, what about you?
Yeah, I'm very excited to be making this for Thanksgiving.
Yeah, you're not just making one little dish. Chef Scott, really quick, one last time before we leave you, first of all, thanks for the chocolate chip cookies, but tell us about the website.
So people can order through evit.edu/bake sale.
Very nice. Every year they do it, you guys. Every year it's so much fun. I just love walking through the kitchen. You got your cupcakes with chocolate frosting. What are we making over here, you guys? What do you got going here?
We're making butterscotch pecan blondies.
Yeah, they got it all, you guys. If you go online, there's a whole laundry list of stuff. And again, it helps out. All this money goes towards the culinary program here at EVIT, you guys.
Yeah, I could watch them all day. Tom, thank you so much. Baking, I love baking. I do all the kids like birthday cakes. It's so therapeutic, and I could sit there and watch her like.
Your cake decoration is pretty good too, I have to say.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I try.
Yeah.
I try to go
you
all
do a
out
good
for the
job.
kids. All right.
All right, 8:47. Let's get out to Dan.